If you want your videos to feel more polished, transitions are a key tool. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add transitions in DaVinci Resolve, whether you're a beginner or just looking for a faster workflow. First, open your project and head to the Edit workspace. This is where you'll do most of your cutting, trimming, and of course, adding transitions. Make sure the clips you want to connect are already on the timeline. Transitions work between two clips, so if your clips aren't touching, either trim them or drag them together. Next, go over to the effects library on the top left of your screen. Under the toolbox section, click on Video Transitions. You'll see a list of common transitions like cross dissolve, fade, wipe, and more. Cross dissolve is a classic choice for most edits, but you can experiment with others depending on the style of your video. To apply a transition, simply drag it onto the cut point between two clips on your timeline. You'll immediately see the transition appear as a small colored bar spanning the edit. Play your timeline to see it in action. If it looks too fast or slow, don't worry. You can adjust it easily. Click on the transition on your timeline to open the inspector panel on the right. Here you can change the duration, alignment, and even modify certain behaviors depending on the transition type. For example, you can set a fade to start on the first clip, the second clip, or centered between the two. Adjusting the duration is as simple as typing in a new number or dragging the edges of the transition on the timeline. For those who want smoother workflow, you can also right-click the cut point between two clips and select Add Default Transition. By default, DaVinci Resolve uses cross dissolve, and you can customize this default in the preferences so every time you add it, it's ready to go. Finally, don't overuse transitions. The best edits use them sparingly, only where a visual or emotional shift calls for it. Too many flashy transitions can distract viewers from your story. And that's it. Adding and customizing transitions in DaVinci Resolve is quick and easy, and it instantly elevates the quality of your video. Before you go, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials and editing tips.